Hey guys, it's Lisa with Salesvision. I'm about to pull in the bank and use my Salesvision VISA BlackCard and get some money out at the ATM. It should go very smoothly, and that is the card that Vincent Ortega Jr., my mentor and the head of Salesvision, that's how he pays us on our Visa BlackCard. Okay, so I'm pulling into the bank now. Driving up to the ATM. I'm gonna have to turn it around so you can see what I'm doing. Hold on. Okay guys, here we go. Went up to Citizens Bank. Here we go at the ATM, which I got closer than usual, but I'm still gonna have to get out of my car. All right, let's see here. One moment. Let's see. Withdrawal. Primary checking, primary credit. I think I put primary credit. Let's hope so. Other amount. About 30. Oh no. Whoops. 3. Okay, there's a $3.50 fee. Do I agree? Yes. Ooh, that might put me over the limit. Yep. All right, let me try something else. Yay, it worked. Because of that fee, I couldn't take out what was on my card. So I just took out $20. See? Boy, I gotta load up that card. Okay, so that's that. I got my money. Keep in mind, if you go to certain banks, there is a fee. And thank you, Vincent. Dinner is on you. Bye, fam. Love you guys.